Hey guys, welcome back. Today we got something super cool. We got a new watch alert. I have not opened this yet. I opened the box, but I actually haven't opened the box. So we're both going to be seeing this for the first time together. I follow Andy's watches. He mentioned Joma Shop a bunch of times, so I decided to try it, and I got this out quick within a week. So thank you for that, Andy's watches. And let's take a look at what we got here. Let's see this box. Oh, that's pretty nice. I went with the Orient Classic Automatic. Let's take a look. And I got it in the blue dial. I haven't seen it yet, so what's that look like? Let's take a look. Oh, that is clean. Oh, that is nice. Okay, this is my first Orient watch. Wow, that is nice. So right away, that deep blue dial stands out. In the light, it almost shifts shades. And paired with the silver hands and hour markers, it has a really sharp classic look. Look at that. It comes in at 40. Let's take this out. There we go. There we go. Now we'll get a better look at the entire thing. So this comes in at 40.8 millimeters on the case, and it also honestly looks perfect for everyday size, not too big. Let's see it on my wrist. I have a roughly 8-inch wrist. Let's take a look at that. It feels really good. It's not too big, not too small. It's also slim. See that? At just under 11 millimeters thick. So it'll slide under a sleeve as well, so it doesn't look like it'll get snagged up on any sleeves. You know what's cool? Small. I don't know if you can see that small dial on it. The second dial. Let's see. But it actually looks like a smooth sweep. I know it's ticking, but the sweep looks smooth. It's pretty. It's kind of mesmerizing, to tell you the truth. Up front, got a sapphire crystal. So from my other watches, I got some other watches with mineral glass. But with the sapphire crystal, we're getting a lot better with strong scratch resistance. And this is a nice upgrade. And then in the back, you can see the movement in the back. Let's take this off and reveal that for the beauty and artwork that it is. Whoa. This is on a stainless steel bracelet with a fold over clasp. It's water resistant to 50 meters, so we're not going to be diving with this or nothing like that. This is just kind of my plan on just using this out for dinners and casual, no beach stuff. If you're looking for an affordable automatic with real mechanical characters and a clean classic design, man, this is tough to beat. I want to give a shout out to Andy's watches for the tip of Joma Shop, because I haven't heard of Joma Shop before Andy's watches. I tell you this, they were also cheaper than everywhere else. That open heart is very beautiful. Yeah, this is my very first open heart watch. I'm very happy I went with Orient. I'm not gonna lie. So this is right under, I believe this was about $240 from Joma Shop. So not only a great deal, a great piece, beautiful, and I'm very, very happy by it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me for my unboxing. We'll see you on the next one.